SRT Dan meets SRT Autos.
Shoppers, better cook those risks. Cold blood in my fists, we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always got a feeling that I won't deny. Not work, never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks. Rise. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
So rise up, rise up. We are the apocalypse, and a pill that keeps us floating. As we fly above the stars, the light won't scare us falling.
What's going on, guys? SRT Dad, and guys, I'm actually on my way right now to SRT Autoworks, guys. Those of you that follow the channel know that I'm gonna get cam headers, a full exhaust system, and a leg maker intake along with the tune from SRT Autoworks, guys. So I'm really nervous, to be honest, guys. I've never dropped my car off anywhere, and it's gonna be over there for at least a couple of weeks. So, you know, I'm very nervous right now, guys. So if I seem a little off, it's because I'm nervous. You know, honestly, I'm nervous, guys. It's you know, it's a lot of money, and it's a big deal, you know. And I'm not gonna see my car for a couple of weeks, so it's gonna kind of suck without the car for a couple of weeks, guys. But those of you that follow the channel know that SRT Autoworks had messaged me, and I had asked them, you know, what kind of gains I'd get with those mods. And they told me anywhere from 100 to 140 wheel horsepower, guys, which is nuts. But what do you guys think the final numbers will be? So like I said, it'll be a cam, SRT Max cam, Cook's headers, long tube headers, and Borla attack exhaust with the leg maker intake, and then a tune, obviously, a custom tune by SRT Autoworks. What do you guys think will be the final numbers? So right now, these cars to the wheel make around 370. So if I got the full 140, they told me we're looking at, you know, over 500 wheel horsepower, guys, which is, you know, it's great. It's insane numbers, guys. I'm also getting, I think it's called carbon exhaust tips installed, which I have in the car right here with me. They're 5-inch tips. The reason I bought them was because the Borla exhaust comes with 4.5-inch tips, I believe, and you know I wanted at least 5-inch tips back there, so I bought some carbon exhaust tips, which you know are pretty popular right now. I do have 5-inch tips right now, but they're you know a cheaper brand. I bought them off Amazon, and I'm looking to get something more more legit back there now that I'm have a real exhaust system now, guys. So, like I said, hit the comments. What do you guys think my final numbers will be on the dyno, guys? I'm hoping it'll get pretty close to that 500 mark. That'd be nice. Anyways, guys, I'll see you when I get over there. Probably be another 20 minutes or so, guys. See you when I get there. All right, guys, I just got here. SRT Autoworks. Parked right next to the Scat Pack. It's a Hellcat out here. All right, guys, I'm about to go inside and check the car in. I don't know if they're gonna want me to record or not, but this is what it looks like. So I'll probably just pause the camera for now. Alright guys, so I just talked to a receptionist in there, so I'm just dropping it off. He told me about a couple weeks. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today. I just wanted to drop the car off, guys. I'm SRT Dad, guys, and I guess I'll see you in a couple weeks. I'm out.